Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Forces of Nature, where we have finally got all the recipe bits for the cooking table. So, as you can see, this is a nice area. So I think we're going to put it outside the I think we're going to put it there. So we're going to see about this, see how long it takes. So this should be probably going to be a short episode. Just because we want to see what we're going to get up to. Next level, gold coins, flour and water. So that's what we're going to be working to next, is the next level. I don't know how we got flour, how we're going to get flour. Hopefully it's going to be with a cooking table. There we go, the cooking table is finally done. Cooking table, recipes, and we have flour. Required tools, mortar, okay. So, crafting, okay. So, how do we use a mortar? Where do we get the mortar from? Tip on ingredients. Can we put in the bonfire? So, we need the mortar. Mortar. 10 clay, so we've got 2. Let's just go from that then. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, take all. We've got the mortar, cooking table, recipes, flour, select, mortar, okay. Now how much flour do we need? Or is it 5? 5 flour, 5 water. So that's going to get us to the next level. How much water have we got? Let's clear up all of this. And there we go, we got 5 there. Oh, there we go. So, what do we get? On the next level, what is we're on level 5, so the next level is going to be level 6. So what do we get on level 6? Stone arrow here. Okay, buildings. So it looks like we get a bed. Okay, so a bed restores health and stamina. Portal requires level 6, can only be placed outdoors. So stone, ash, clay and sand. So I wonder where the portal goes. A dugout. Yeah, we've got a dugout. Tailor table. No, that's level 7. So that's 3. 2 more to go, and then we got the next level. I tell you what, for a simple game, there's a lot of repetitive stuff, but it's kind of like I said, it's enjoyable. We like it. We're gonna do as much as we can with it. The auto save is good, it's not too bad at all. I said this was going to be a short episode, but I'll tell you what, it's like it's going to be a normal episode. Okay, so this is the last one, and don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, I am looking for sponsors for my channel and stuff like that, and we're now starting to do daily 10-15 minute radio show. If you want to come on it, send me an email, we'll see what we can do, especially if you're a dev of a game and stuff like that, or you're a fan of the channel. You can come on and see what it's like, and we could probably even do a live chat on Saturday, see how it goes. And there we go. So we're going to take all of that, we're now going to go to that level, Next level. We've got it all. Finally. Get level. Create a cooking table. We've got the cooking table. We've got the cooking table there. Why aren't you not going to let us do it? Create a cooking table. We've got a cooking table. Right. So what we're going to do is we are quickly going to say, have fun, stay safe. We'll see you in the next episode where we've now recreated the cooking table. We're going to save it and we're going to see if we come back and see if it's a glitch. Bye for now.